Hi everyone, my name is Leena. I've been practicing astrology for more than a decade now, and still I feel that there's so much to learn and discover in the horoscope. And the hidden meaning behind each combination has inspired me so much that I feel everyone should try to understand astrology and bring awareness in his or her life. I strongly believe that regular practice on horoscopes makes you an astrologer. So, today I have come up with such a topic that will make you practice every day and gain confidence in decoding KP astrology combinations. So, today's topic is how to analyze Moon Nakshatra script in your daily life. Now, I've written a blog as well on this topic and I have prepared KP combination cheat sheet. This will help you in analyzing a horoscope for major or minor events, like what are favorable and unfavorable combinations for important events of your life. So, those who are interested, they can download this PDF and keep this cheat sheet aside while using the formula I'm going to share now. So, let's begin. Now, as you can see, this chart, this includes current planet position along with natal position. This is the natal position of the planets and this is current position of the planets. Now, these details you can get in any software. Just make the Lagna chart of the day and note down the moon position, like here. You have to see moon position and moon star and sublord. This you have to note down. See, moon's position and its degree play the most significant role in the horoscope. Based on your birth time moon details, the Vimshotri Dasha sequence is formed. For example, as you can see in this figure, look at moon's degree at the time of birth. This is 12 degree 41 minutes. Now this shows Ketu Nakshatra. So that means this person was born in Ketu Nakshatra, Magha Nakshatra, and Mercury was the sublord, Rahu sublord. So the Dasha sequence began with Ketu Mahadasha, Mercury Antardasha, and Rahu Pratantardasha. This timeline is decided by Moon's degree in the horoscope. Now Moon represents your subconscious mind, feelings, thought pattern, memory, and emotions. Whenever any event occurs in our life, it starts with a thought that further evolves into an idea. Then you organize as per that concept. Moon is the fastest moving planet. It changes its sign after 2.5 days. Here you see Saturn star. And since Moon travels one star each day, so next day after 24 hours, Mercury star will come because after Saturn, Mercury star comes. Please keep in mind that each star is divided into 9 parts. That is sublord. So in a day, sublord will keep changing. Star will be the same. It will continue for 24 hours, but sublord will change. Now as you can see in this picture, this is the moon sign. This is the moon degree, this is nakshatra lord, and then this is sublord. And this sublord changes very fast. See, this depends on the timeline allotted to the planet in the Vimshotri Dasha. Now understand, moon travels 13 degree 20 minutes per day. And after 2.5 days approximately, it completes one sign of 30 degrees. So here you can see degree of moon, then star lord and sublord. If Saturn star has begun, then first sublord will be of Saturn only. And if you see, when moon sublord was there, it changed very fast. Look at the degree. And Saturn sublord, it took long to change. Now this is very important because sublord will give the main result of the day. This is little technical, but if you understand it slowly and try to practice it, then you will see how important it is and how useful it can be for your everyday life. Because sublord is going to give the final result. Now again come to this figure. You can see transit moon is in Cancer sign. Like transit moon of today. Like when I am making the video. Okay, by the time you will see, moon will be in Leo sign. So don't get confused. So today, moon is in Cancer sign. Okay, Saturn star and Venus sublord. This you have to note down. Whenever you see this video, note down moon sign, moon star, and then sublord. Now in case of Cancer sign, remember that 3 nakshatras are included. Which 3 nakshatras? Punarvasu, Pushya, Ashlesha. Okay, so we noted that moon was in Cancer sign, Saturn nakshatra. Now, first of all, remember that Saturn nakshatra is going to give result for the entire day. So we will look at the Saturn script in your horoscope. Look at the Saturn script here. This you have to check in your horoscope, not this one. Okay, so look at this moon sign, then come to the nakshatra. See that nakshatra script in your horoscope. So we saw Saturn nakshatra and Venus sublord. Venus sublord. Now there are 2 ways to use moon script. First is you have a goal in mind, or you want to select Mahurat or auspicious time, like you want to give token money to buy a property or buy a new car. Like in this case, if he comes to me and asks me that is this time favorable to book an apartment, so I will immediately see moon nakshatra and then select sublord and give the time slot. Now this timeline should support property or car combinations. Here you should know how to read the KP script. If you see moon star lord, it shows property combinations and sublord also supports, then it is favorable. For property we need 4, 9, 11, 12, remember. And there should be no negation like 3rd house or 8th house. Now most important, Mahadasha, Antardasha, they should support particular event. Then only moon star will deliver. Not that if your Antardasha is negating and moon star is favorable, then event will not occur. And remember, sun will mark the month of the event. Moon will mark the day and sublord will mark the hour in a day. This you have to note down. You can write down in your notes. Now second way of checking moon nakshatra is note down the moon nakshatra of the day. For example, if moon is in sun star. Okay, so look at sun script in the horoscope. As you can see in this chart, sun is in Leo, and in Leo we have Magha, Purfaguni and Uttarfaguni. So let's take sun. So we will look at sun script because this will stay for 24 hours like I have explained. Now this sun script you have to observe in your horoscope. So you all can see your ongoing moon star script right now and see the combinations working that day of your life. Like in this chart, sun script, it involves 8th house and 12th house. 8th house and 12th house. And if you see, Leo sign is here in the Lagna. Okay, so this shows 1, 8, 12. So health can be disturbed. Like this you have to see. You just have to understand these combinations and see what planets are involved. If they are self-significators, check in the cusp script as well. Those who don't know about self-significators or KP rules, they can check my video on KP rules or read my blog post. These combinations can be used in a constructive way. Like if 8th house is there, you don't have to get scared on that. Use the best of 8th house. Like research in your work area, learn new topics about hidden knowledge, or transform certain areas of your life. This is to minimize negative aspects of 8th house, like sudden obstruction in work or pain in the body. And then 12th house. Use meditation, charity, yoga, add, let go, sacrifice on that particular day. This way, you can minimize negative aspects of the 12th house, like losses, disappointment, or expenses. See, this is the remedy part. For KP combination practice, note these combinations working in your life. Like if Mars is showing 3-6 or 3-8, then it indicates you can have an argument. So you can be careful. If you have to travel, see 3-9-11 is there. It can be fruitful. And if you see 4-6-12, then this is bad health. Because 4 is loss of good health. If you see 4th house, this is loss of good health. And if sublord is also supporting this negative house, then event will occur. Then one can face ill health. See, 4 is loss of good health, 6 is disease, 12 is weakness or defect. This you have to remember. See which planet is showing and use that planet trait also. This is very important. And this will make you practice astrology. If you see Rahu Ketu showing 6th house, then it can give health issues, and this is often due to some infection or unknown disease. And see if 5th house is involved in the script. If Mercury is showing, then some creativity, fun and entertainment will be noticed. Try to analyze your own horoscope. This way you will see combinations working, and that itself is a beautiful practice. So this way I have given simple technique to use Moon Nakshatra script every day. You can see Star Lord combinations, then Sublord. And if ongoing Sublord is unfavorable, then wait for upcoming Sublord. The running Sublord gives main results of the hour. Here you will see Moon plays significant role in shaping your everyday life. Now you can check the cheat sheet, read my blog for more clarity. If any questions related to this topic, you can email or ask me in the comment section. Keep practicing astrology because it actually works, and it just needs little patience and lot of passion. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.